Hello, dear friend. If you've ever stood in front of a mirror and gently touched the fine lines on your face, wondering if it's too late to bring back that smooth, luminous glow, this message is just for you. Today, I want to invite you into something deeply personal, yet wonderfully simple. A homemade skin-nourishing cream that not only hydrates and soothes, but also supports your skin's natural collagen production. It's not a miracle in a jar. It's better. It's a ritual. One that you can create with your own two hands, using ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. I've seen this gentle blend make a real difference for women and men in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and yes, even into their 80s. It's never too late. Our skin has a remarkable ability to respond when we treat it with kindness and consistency. In this video, I'll walk you through every ingredient and every step to make this cream at home. We'll talk about why each component matters, what the science says, and how to make this a beautiful part of your daily routine. And before we begin, drop a comment and let me know where in the world you're watching from. It truly brings me joy to see how far these healing ideas can travel. The power of natural ingredients. Modern science now confirms what traditional cultures have known for generations. Nature offers some of the most effective, gentle remedies for aging skin. Each ingredient in this cream has a specific purpose, backed by both tradition and research. Shea butter is the base of this formula. It is rich in vitamins A and E and contains essential fatty acids that deeply hydrate the skin. Shea butter improves elasticity, softens wrinkles over time, and creates a protective barrier that prevents moisture loss. Studies published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology have shown its role in reducing skin inflammation and improving texture. Coconut oil complements the shea butter by bringing its own benefits. It is rich in medium-chain triglycerides and lauric acid, which have antimicrobial properties. Coconut oil helps prevent dryness and supports the skin's lipid layer, especially important for mature skin that tends to lose hydration more quickly. Aloe vera brings a cooling and soothing effect. A 2015 clinical study showed that consistent use of aloe vera gel improved hydration levels and visibly reduced wrinkle depth. It also promotes skin cell turnover, giving tired skin a fresher look. Jojoba or argan oil mimics the skin's natural sebum. They absorb quickly, deliver vitamin E and B-complex nutrients, and help balance oil production. The American Academy of Dermatology notes jojoba oil's effectiveness in supporting skin repair without clogging pores. Vitamin E oil is a powerful antioxidant. It protects against environmental stressors like UV damage and pollution, while supporting tissue healing and elasticity. Rosehip oil is a collagen-supporting powerhouse. It naturally contains retinoic acid and is rich in essential fatty acids and vitamins A and C. Dermatological studies have highlighted its ability to reduce fine lines and improve skin tone. Lemongrass and geranium essential oils not only provide a pleasant, calming scent, they also have antibacterial properties and support firmer skin by stimulating circulation and improving tone. Finally, witch hazel or distilled water helps create a lighter cream texture. This ensures that the final product absorbs easily into the skin without feeling greasy. The step-by-step recipe. Let's make the cream together using natural, skin-loving ingredients that truly nourish and restore mature skin. Start with the base melt. In a clean glass bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of shea butter with 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil. Use a double boiler or place the bowl over a pot of simmering water. Gently melt the mixture until just liquefied. Avoid overheating, as excessive heat can break down the nutrients in the oils. Once melted, remove the bowl from the heat and let it cool slightly. As the mixture begins to thicken into a creamy texture, stir slowly and gently. Now add 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel. You can either extract it directly from fresh leaf or use store-bought gel with no added chemicals. Aloe vera will soften the cream's consistency and bring intense hydration and soothing benefits. Next, add 1 teaspoon of either jojoba or argan oil. These lightweight carrier oils absorb beautifully into the skin, delivering vitamins and restoring elasticity. Stir until fully blended. For a vitamin boost, Puncture one vitamin E capsule and squeeze the contents into the bowl. Follow with 5 drops of rosehip oil, which helps boost collagen and improve skin tone. Stir slowly to ensure all ingredients combine evenly. Add your essential oils, 3 drops each of lemongrass and geranium essential oils. These add a fresh scent while supporting circulation, elasticity, and overall skin tone. To adjust the texture, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of witch hazel or distilled water, depending on your preference. This lightens the cream and makes it easier to absorb. For a whipped texture, use a small hand mixer or whisk for 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium speed until the mixture becomes fluffy and pale. Finally, transfer your cream into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. The cream will stay fresh for about 4 weeks. If you notice any change in smell or texture, discard and make a fresh batch. How to use the cream for maximum effect. How you apply the cream matters just as much as what's in it. To make the most of its collagen-boosting and hydrating benefits, follow this simple routine. Begin with clean skin. Use lukewarm water to gently cleanse your face, then pat dry with a soft towel. Avoid using hot water or harsh soaps, as these can strip away natural oils. Scoop out a small amount of cream, about the size of a pea. Rub it between your palms to warm it slightly. This helps the oils blend smoothly into the skin. Press the cream gently onto your face. Start with the forehead, then move to the cheeks, under the eyes, and finally the neck. Don't rub harshly. Press and glide the cream using upward strokes. These motions support lymphatic drainage and lift. Be mindful around the delicate under-eye area. Use your ring finger to tap lightly and avoid tugging. Allow the cream to absorb fully. Wait about 5 minutes before applying sunscreen or makeup to let the nutrients soak in. For best results, apply twice a day, morning and evening. Over the course of 4 to 6 weeks, many users report significant improvements in hydration, reduced appearance of fine lines, and a more radiant, even skin tone. This daily ritual becomes more than just skincare. It's a quiet moment of self-kindness, a chance to nourish both your skin and your spirit. Story. Grace had always taken pride in her appearance. A retired librarian from Arizona, she spent most of her life under the desert sun, never really thinking about the long-term effects. By her early 70s, her skin had become dry, thin, and fragile. Commercial creams left her either too oily or irritated. It felt like no matter what I used, it just sat on top of my skin, she shared. One afternoon, her granddaughter Sarah visited and noticed how uncomfortable Grace was rubbing her neck. Sarah had recently learned about natural DIY skincare and encouraged Grace to try the collagen support cream we're sharing here. Grace was skeptical, but willing. Together, they made a batch in her kitchen. Grace committed to using it morning and night, and, just as importantly, she began journaling the changes she noticed. In week 1, she felt immediate hydration and softness, though not much change visually. By week 2, she noticed her makeup went on more smoothly and no longer flaked around her cheeks. By the 3rd week, she started to see something remarkable. Her cheekbones looked fuller, and her neck creases were noticeably smoother. I thought it was just wishful thinking, she laughed. But even my neighbor noticed and asked what I was using. After 2 months, Grace said she stopped feeling like she had to cover up her skin. Her confidence returned, and with it, her social life blossomed again. She started walking every morning, wearing a broad smile instead of just a wide hat. Grace's story is a reminder that it's never too late to care for your skin. And sometimes, the simplest natural routines, when done consistently, deliver the most meaningful results. Building a ritual, self-care, not just skincare. Let this cream be more than just another product on your bathroom shelf. Let it become a ritual, a moment in your day that says, I deserve care. Skincare is not just about surface change. When you apply this cream with intention, you're also touching your nervous system, calming your mind, and reinforcing the message that you're worthy of softness, time, and attention. Create a soothing space. Use a soft cloth to cleanse your face. Light a candle if that brings you peace. Turn on gentle music. Slow your breathing as you warm the cream in your hands. As you press it into your skin, your cheeks, forehead, around your eyes, be present. This simple act of touch tells your body that it's safe and nurtured. That message is healing in and of itself, especially in a world that often moves too fast. Rituals help ground us, and this one doesn't just offer cosmetic benefits. It reminds you every morning and night that you matter, that your care is not an afterthought. It's not just skincare, it's soul care. Closing thoughts. Aging is not a flaw to fix. It's a journey. And just like a tree grows stronger rings over time, your skin carries stories of laughter, love, strength, and resilience. But that doesn't mean you can't support it. Nourish it. Help it glow with new vitality. This DIY anti-aging cream is not magic. It's something better. A practical, nourishing act of self-respect. The ingredients are backed by dermatological science. The results, when used consistently, speak for themselves. You don't need 10-step routines or expensive products. What you need is consistency, quality, and care. And that's exactly what this cream delivers. So try it. Mix a small batch. Use it every day for 4 to 6 weeks. And then take a good look in the mirror. You might see smoother lines, softer texture, and a little extra sparkle in your eyes. But more importantly, you'll see someone who chose to care for herself, who made time, who believed it's never too late to glow again. And when you feel ready, come back and share your story, your wins, your questions, your hopes. Because this community is built on real women supporting each other, one ritual at a time. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more natural skincare tips, and leave a comment. Should we make a brightening mask next? Or maybe a soothing night balm? You're not alone on this path. And your skin? It's ready to shine. Stay radiant. You truly deserve it.